The three-wattled bellbird is as striking to the ears as it is to the eyes. Found in Central American cloud forests, this bird unleashes an explosive bonk that is so sharp and metallic it can leave listeners stunned. Males use this ear-splitting sound to attract females, and at close range, it often feels strong enough to rattle the chest. The bird's appearance is just as bizarre, with 3 long, fleshy wattles dangling from its beak that swing wildly during calls. Each boom resonates through the misty forests, sometimes carrying up to about half a mile. Scientists believe the sheer volume of the call plays a role in reaching mates in dense habitat where visibility is low. The bellbird's surreal looks combined with its thunderous voice make it unforgettable. If you'd like to see the full list, including number 1, click the link below.